Welcome to 60 Seconds to Code, where I show you how to code in 60 seconds or less. Today you will learn how to install and run Python. Step 1. Go to python.org and download the latest version of Python. Step 2. Run the Python installer and follow the prompts until Python is done installing. Step 3. Launch your command prompt by typing cmd.exe in your search box and press enter. Step 4. Type Python in your command prompt and press enter to run the Python interpreter. Step 5. In your Python interpreter, type print, open parentheses, open quotes, hello world, close quotes, close parentheses, and press enter. Congratulations, you've written your first line of code. Try to code a little bit every day because code is life. And stay tuned for more.